Alright, we're gonna try this again. Hopefully this does work. Hopefully this does. No, we want. Hold on. Career. Hold on. We want career. No bowler. My boy. And we want practice. Bin select. I should probably turn it off before that DMCA shit too, bastards. Alright, let's see here. Let's just start with something moderately easy. Don't want to hit the dog either. Ooh, a little left. Just a little left. Right there. That's good. Oh, come on. There we go, I got it. Alright, let's do it again one more time. So you know it was not a flute. Lockpick lawyer. Alright. A little bit more difficult. Let's see here. Ooh. Need a little more right. Damn it. Come on. Oh yeah. Can we do it again so we know it was not a flute? Oh, that's not the hook. No, that's not. Hold on. I got it. No, fucked it up again. Come on. Alright, there you go. Alright. Damn it. Alright, whatever. Ah, whatever. Alright, let's see here. Let's try this thing. Let's try a little bit of tricky. See if this does anything. No. Okay, I need to come a little bit more right. If this is even possible. Oh yeah! Do it again? Alright. Okay. I think I can hit the same line too if I do this. Need a little more. I think it's left. I think I need to go left, not right. Oh, okay, whatever. I got it. Do it again. Yeah, I went. I just did it again, goddamn it. Okay. Go from the left side. I don't think I can do the big four. I don't know if that's even possible to do it. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, I just reset it. Whatever. No, I want that one on. That one. $710? No. Oh, whatever. I don't even know if getting the 710 is possible on this game either. Oh, yeah. Gonna do it again. Not too much. Too much. Come on. The less curve. There we go. Okay. Should we do a strike? Wait, we can reset it. Yeah, triangle is reset. Let's just try I think it's like this. Oh, that was fucking terrible. Excuse me. Why did it not curve? There we go. Nope, wasn't it. Shit. You know what? Yeah, not even that one fucking hooks. I didn't fucking hook. Come on. I can get splits better than fucking straights. Come on now. There. Oh, yeah. That's better. Yeah, that's better. What? That's impressive. Alright. I think we're gonna do this. I think right there. Oh, close. I got it. Ooh. A little more. I got it. Do it one more time. Okay. That went right around it. That went around it again. Come on. Straight ball? No, it does need a little bit of curve. Like that? Yeah, that got it. Still nothing. Now up to 710. I got it once. I got it once. Okay, let's try. Wait, it needs to come in right or come in left more. It needs to come right. Hold on. Right there. That might be a little too much. Yeah, it's a little too much. Okay. A little left. There we go. Okay. Alright, out of twice. Oh, fucking clicked it again. Okay, whatever. Let's something like this. I think we'd have to go right just a tad. Oh. Probably stayed on the same line. To the left. I got it. Do it again. So you know it was not a fluke. Alright. I think I got this in my other video. Nope. Oh, a little bit more right. Alright, I got it. Oh, come on. A little bit more right. I didn't hook. Come on. Come on. Oh shit, I messed up the ball. Okay, well that worked. Try it again. There. Alright. So we should do something like I know that's easy, but I have to really slide it over to get it to hit that pin. Oh. Oh, come on, man. Last spin? No, come on. Okay, we're getting there. Oh, that was terrible. Terrible throw. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, come on. I'm getting really close. Alright, fine. Fuck it. No. Oh, come on. Do this and just torque it just a little bit. Hold on. I didn't get it. Yeah! There it is! Oh, shit. Alright. We'll do this one, because this one's super easy. No, a little more. That might be a little too much. Yeah, a little too much. There we go. Easy. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, come on. Need a little right. I wonder if this is even possible. Or I can go right through the fucking middle. Maybe. I don't know if that's gonna work or not. I don't think so. I don't think going through the middle is gonna work. Damn, come on, man. Trying different techniques here. I don't know what's... If I just throw a straight ball, oh, that curved it. Oh, that sort of worked. No, that's not going to come over. Ooh, come on, a little more. A little more. Come on, I was right at it. Right at it. Come on. A little right. Or a little left. Fuck. Come on. Try going through the middle, but I already know it's not going to work. There's no way. Of course, I went right through the fucking pins. Yeah, there's no way that's possible. Go left more. Like that. Oh, a little more. Oh, come on. Can't get left off. Yeah! Yes! Fuck, that took way too long. Alright. I gotta check the video and see how long we've been going for. 18 minutes. I think that's long enough. That's my spare challenge. Hopefully this video turns out a lot better than my previous one that I uploaded. I've been having some difficulties. I had to buy new cables for the adapter for my Elgato, and the first ones I bought at Best Buy, and you know they were cutting in and out, and quality was shit. So we'll see if these are any better. I haven't some time processing the video and upload it. So hopefully you can see me, hear the video, the audio of me talking. Because the other one didn't have audio, didn't have the webcam on. There's supposed to be a webcam going on. Didn't see me running, so well with the controller anyways. But there's my spare challenge. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll be playing more pretty soon.